If you want to lock a photo album on your iPhone, this smart trick will show you how to hide photos with a password and keep them private. First, open the Photos app and tap on Select at the top. Now choose the photos you want to hide. After selecting them, tap on the Share icon at the bottom left. Next, scroll through the options and tap on More. Then scroll down and tap on Notes. This will let you save those photos into the Notes app. Tap Save to create a new note with your selected photos. Now, go back and delete those photos from the Photos app so they're no longer visible there. After that, open the Notes app and find the note where you saved your photos. Tap on the three dots in the top right, then select Lock. You can secure it using Face ID or iPhone passcode. After that, enter a password and press OK. Then it will show Enter iPhone passcode. Enter it and tap on OK. Once locked, your photos will only be accessible after unlocking the note. So, yeah, that's how you can lock and hide photos on iPhone and protect your privacy. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips. Thanks for watching.